Hey, have you ever wanted to mine crypto before? Well, I've been looking into it and I have found an easy method that I said in the title that was for dummies. Literally, I can show you how to get BTC, crypto, and mine for dummies.
Because I was one.
Hey, if you don't know who I am, it's okay. My name is Shelly Hopkins. And believe it or not, the majority of my viewers are not even my subscribers. So what are you waiting for? Become one of my subscribers. It helps me with the algorithm, but you know what? It helps you too. Because also, if you ring that notification bell, you will know when I have all kinds of different ways to make money online. Now, I always try to guess what you're thinking, and you're probably thinking, but Shelly, you know what you're doing. You've had experience with this, that you're not gonna know anything. That's why I found this for you, because this is easy, and I haven't really been in the whole crypto world that long at all. I have stormed my way through it and learned everything. So take it from me, who was a senior network engineer and I have 2 IT degrees. Yeah, I'm smart, but you know what? I had no clue what I was doing when I first got into crypto. So if you don't know what you're doing, it's okay. Look at me, I'm a great example. I felt like an idiot. So seriously, that's why I say you could earn BTC for dummies, no problem. And guess what? This is free. I'm gonna show you how you can do this for absolutely nothing on your very own home computer, laptop. It's gonna work. Anyways, you're gonna need a crypto wallet to do this. Now, you can go onto Amazon and you can search for crypto wallets. And you know, they say that they're more safe than online, but I don't have one. So, but if you wanted to, you can go to Amazon and search. I was gonna show you what they say is the best, but they're actually out of it, so I don't wanna show it to you. Or there's 2 sites that I have researched and it's supposed to be really, really good for an online crypto wallet. One is trustwallet.com. And the one that I actually think is the best, and I've researched all of these, but I know about MetaMask, is metamask.io. It's supposed to be one of the top most secure online crypto wallets for your security. Listen guys, everybody tells me they want some worldwide stuff. Look at this, worldwide, France, India, Mexico, Germany, China, and the list just goes on. By the way, do me a favor and put in the comments where you're from, because just like this video here, it helps me make these videos for you. A cool tip is if you take one of these, because these are people's actual transactions. And if you go to blockchain.com and you paste it here and do a search, make sure it says all blockchains. We're going to look at BTC, and it actually gives you a clue of what they're making. So stay with me and pay close attention to this video so you don't get lost. Now you need to go to the site bitcoin-live.app. It says app, but it's the website. It's not app. And from here, we need to log in. So if you click on login, go ahead, enter your name and your crypto key and log in. And then right here is where you're gonna put your address. So your Bitcoin address goes right here. Now, if you don't have a Bitcoin address, then you have to go get one, okay? No matter what site that you use, you have to go and you get Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever. And then with that address, then you'll come back to this site and you'll add it right here. Once it starts, guys, do give it some time. It'll take a little bit of time to process. And if your computer is slow, it's gonna take longer. So be patient. This will take a little bit, okay? It's processing. Just kind of hang in there with me. We're mining here. Then you'll see mining successfully completed. 0.42 BTC. Not bad. Not bad, guys. Now, if you were to go up here on the site to pricing, it'll show you that this is the daily crypto key, this is the weekly crypto key, and this is the monthly crypto key. Now, it does take a little bit to invest, just a little bit. So right here, I mean, we're looking at what? 0.0006 BTC. We're looking at this right here for weekly to get the weekly code. And this is the monthly code. So, but if you're like, Shelly, I don't have no Bitcoin. Okay. I got your back. Okay. Go to moonbitcoins.com. And don't worry, guys, you don't have to go to the moon. We're just going to go to the moon and then we're going to come back because the other site is awesome. It's 10 times better. You're going to make way more money. So don't think, well, why can't I just use this site? Because the other site's better. I want to show you how we can get some free Bitcoin so you can use it on the other side. Go ahead and put in your crypto address right here and simply click on login. Then just start Bitcoin mining and you're on your way. Hey guys, moonbitcoins.com also has daily bonuses. So you could also use this to rack up the money. So you're going to take all the money that you make from this site and use it on this site. Because this site really is going to make you a whole lot more money. So now you have a way where you can, for free, you can get invested in this and get started and make some money. Now I can sit here and tell you that this is a great way to earn Bitcoin from a site. Start your own mining. But you know what? The majority of people start it and then they let it just go. So it can take a long process. So while it's a good thing to do and to start, I want to tell you not only how you could create your own business, quit your 9 to 5, like literally quit your 9 to 5. Go on vacation, buy a car, create a side hustle, whatever it is that you want to do. Like the dreams are endless. It's what made me start working at home because I got laid off of my job. I was a senior network engineer and my whole entire department got laid off, like on April Fool's Day of all days. And this is what I did, guys. It's the first link in the bio. If you want to change your life, it's work. I'm not going to say it's just like click a button, but it's a way out. It's a way to be happy, to do something that you love, because I already know you're going to love it. So go ahead, click the link in the bio. I'm here to help you. Go ahead, get started. Let me know once you have. All right. Plus, I think you liked this video. So if you liked this video, I'm going to go ahead and put another one in here that's related to crypto. See if you like it. And I'm in it, so I'll see you in there.